Hello class 11. This is your subject accountancy, chapter number 9, journal, lecture number 14. Beta, in our last lecture we solved till question number 20th, that is given in your book on page number 9.72. Let's start from question number 21st. So first of all, read this question carefully. Let's see first transaction. Sold goods to Brijesh of the list price of 10,000 at trade discount of 5%. Received full payment in cash. Here the entry will be 10,000 का 5% we will calculate, that will be 500. 10,000 minus 500, that will be 9,500. So entry will be with rupees 9,500. What will be the entry? We have sold goods for cash now. So cash account debit 9,500 to sales account. Same amount. And the narration will be goods sold for cash to Brijesh. Fine. Second one, goods given away as charity 1,000. Beta, whenever we have given goods for purchase for charity, for that we will do entry charity account debit 1,000 to purchases account 1,000. Narration is goods given away as charity. अगर यहाँ पर ये होता कि चैरिटी में 1,000 रुपीज दिए, then the entry will be charity account debit to cash account. Fine. यहाँ पर goods दिए हैं इसलिए charity account debit to purchases account हुआ है. Understood? Yes. Now next entry is charge interest on capital of 5 lakh at the rate of 7% per annum. 5 lakh का 7% कैलकुलेट कीजिए 35,000. So the entry will be interest on capital account debit to capital account. And narration is interest on capital provided. Fine. Next one is outstanding wages 3,000. Beta, whenever there is outstanding wages or outstanding salary, then the entry was in last question also we did this entry wages account debit to outstanding wages account. So the entry will be wages account debited with rupees 3,000 to outstanding wages account 3,000. And narration will be outstanding wages provided. Fine. Now next entry is, they are saying 5,000 due from Sunny are now bad debts. सनी से 5,000 रुपीज लेने थे और अब वो बेड डेट्स बन गए हैं. मीन सनी इज नॉट केपेबल टू गिव दैट मनी. मे बी ही बिकेम इंसॉल्वेंट. फाइन. So now for this the entry will be bad debts account debit 5,000 to Sunny's account. Same amount. And the narration will be bad debts written off. Fine beta. Now sixth entry is 50,000 cash sale of goods costing 40,000. 40,000 का सामान 50,000 में बेचा, लेकिन एक्चुअल में हमारी सेल कितनी हुई 50,000 की ना, तो हम 50,000 से ही एंट्री करेंगे. तो फॉर दिस एंट्री विल बी कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड 50,000 टू सेल्स अकाउंट. सेम अमाउंट. And the narration will be goods sold for cash. Fine. And here the total amount is, total of both the column is 1,03,500. Fine beta. Now let's see the next question. That is question number 22. Beta, it is also given in your book on page number 9.72. Fine. So let's start first transaction, that is proprietor withdrew for private use 10,000 from bank. For this, whenever the proprietor withdrew from business for cash, so entry was drawings account debited to cash account, but here he has withdrawn the amount from bank, so the entry will be drawings account debited with rupees 10,000 to bank account. Fine, same amount. And the narration will be cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Fine. Beta, these are the entries we have already done 4-5 times in our previous questions as well. So B entry is goods costing 50,000 were burnt by fire. Burnt by fire means lost by fire. So we have done this entry also. Goods purchase जो है वो lost by fire. आग से जल गए, सामान जल गया. Fine. तो for this the entry will be lost by fire account debit 50,000 to purchases account. I told you this entry in our last question as well. So the narration will be goods destroyed by fire. Fine. Next entry is purchased machinery for cash 1,50,000 and paid 2,000 on its installation. So whenever we have purchased machinery and paid installation or carriage, fine. So we will add both the amount in machinery and then we will do the entry with the combined amount. That will be machinery account debited 1,52,000 to cash account. Same amount, and the transaction will be purchased machinery for cash and installation charges were paid. Next one is charge depreciation on building costing 2 lakh and 8% depreciation on furniture costing 5,000. They are saying बिल्डिंग पे 5% डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज किया, तो बिल्डिंग का डेप्रिसिएशन हमारा आया 2 लाख का 5% 10,000 एंड फर्नीचर का 5,000 का 8% जो है वो आया आपका 400. So finally the entry will be depreciation account debit to building account 10,000 to furniture account 400 and total amount 10,400 will go in depreciation account. And the narration will be depreciation charge on building and furniture. Fine. Next entry is beta prepaid salary. Whenever we have entry for outstanding salary or wages, then we do entry for the salary account debit to outstanding salary na. But now it's turn of prepaid salary, so entry will be opposite. Prepaid salary account debit to salary account with rupees 2,000 and the narration will be prepaid salary recorded. Fine. Next one is F part. Kapil who owed us 20,000 becomes insolvent and nothing is received from his estate. कपिल ने हमें 20,000 देने थे जो इंसॉल्वेंट हो गया और उसकी साइड से हमें कुछ भी नहीं मिलने वाला. तो दैट मीन्स जो पूरी की पूरी अमाउंट है वो क्या है, हमारी बैड डेट्स है और बैड डेट्स हमारा लॉस है, इसलिए हम उसे क्या करते हैं, डेबिट करते हैं. तो बैड डेट्स अकाउंट डेबिटेड 20,000 टू कपिल्स अकाउंट. फाइन. And the narration will be bad debts written off. Fine beta. Now the total of both the sides, debit and credit side, will be 2,44,400. Understood this question? Let's start next question now. Next one is question number 23rd. Journalize the following transactions in the journal of Naveen Gupta and Sons. So read it carefully. Now see, the first transaction is out of insurance premium paid this year, 15,000 is related to next year. They are saying हमने जितना भी इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम पे किया 15,000 जो है वो नेक्स्ट ईयर से रिलेटेड है. तो जो नेक्स्ट ईयर से रिलेटेड है वो है आपका प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस. क्या है आपका? प्रीपेड. बेटा जो हम पे नहीं करते, ड्यू होता है, वो होता है आउटस्टैंडिंग, और जो पहले से ही पे कर देते हैं उसे बोलते हैं प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस. सो एंट्री फॉर प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस विल बी प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट डेबिटेड 15,000 टू इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट, सेम अमाउंट, and the narration will be prepaid insurance recorded. Fine. Second one is credit purchases from Ram and Company for rupees 50,000 and cash discount will be received at 5% on the payment of bill within 10 days. So credit purchase for rupees 50,000. So entry will be purchases account debited 50,000 to Ram and Company. And the narration will be goods purchased on credit from Ram and Company. Fine. Now see, they are saying Ram and Company avail discount. How much? 5%. So 50,000 ka 5% will be 2,500. So that will be discount received, and discount received will be credited. Fine. And cash will be credited with rupees 47,500. And Ram and Company will be debited with rupees 50,000. So finally the entry will be Ram and Company account debited 50,000 to cash account 47,500 to discount received account 2,500. And the narration will be cash paid to Ram and Company in full settlement. Fine. Next one is पेड इनकम टैक्स 20,000 बाय चेक. इनकम टैक्स पे किया मतलब उसने पर्सनल इनकम टैक्स पे किया, खुद का टैक्स पे किया. तो खुद का पे किया है तो वो क्या होगा आपकी ड्रॉइंग्स. तो बिजनेस में से कैश निकाला तो ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिटेड 20,000 टू कैश अकाउंट. एंड नरेशन विल बी पेड इनकम टैक्स. फाइन. These are very simple and easy entries. So practice it regularly. Fine beta. Next one, see fifth one. Goods costing to 2 lakh sold for cash at a profit of 10%. 2 लाख का सामान 10% प्रॉफिट पर बेचा. तो 2 लाख का 10% कैलकुलेट कीजिए, क्या आएगा आपका 20,000. So 2 lakh plus 20,000 will be 2 lakh 20,000. तो 2,20,000 से एंट्री होगी, और एंट्री क्या होगी हमारी, कैश सेल किया है तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 2,20,000 टू सेल्स अकाउंट. And the narration will be goods sold for cash including profit of 10%. Fine. Sixth one is purchased iron safe for 2 lakhs, filling cabinet 50,000 and computer for rupees 1 lakh. So these all are our office equipment. That's why we will total it up and put it under column office equipment account debited 2 lakh plus 50,000 plus 1 lakh. So amount will be 3 lakh 50,000. So office equipment account debited with rupees 3 lakh 50,000 to cash account. Same amount, and the narration will be office equipment purchased. Fine. So total of debit and credit column will be 7 lakh 5,000. Fine beta. Now next question is beta C. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Kanishk traders. Sold goods costing 1,20,000 to Charu at a profit of 33 raised to 1/3%. It is 1/3%. On cost less 15% trade discount. So this question is in your book on page number 9.73. Read this question and then we will do entry. So in first question, first of all we will calculate 33 raised to 1 over 3%, means 100 over 3% of 1,20,000, and then we will less 15% trade discount. So the amount will be 1,36,000. So finally we will do the entry with 1,36,000. So Charu's account debit 1,36,000 to sales account, and the narration will be goods sold to Charu. Fine. Second entry is sold goods costing 80,000 to Arun against check at a profit of 25% on cost less 15% trade discount. सबसे पहले आप 80,000 का 25% कैलकुलेट कीजिए, दैट विल बी 20,000. अब उसे ऐड कीजिए, 1 लाख आ जाएगा, उसमें से 15% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट माइनस कीजिए, आपका आंसर आएगा 85,000. अब एंट्री जो होगी वो 85,000 से होगी. समझ में आया? जैसे हमने फर्स्ट में किया था वैसे ही सेकेंड में करेंगे. फाइन. उसमें कॉस्ट का 33 रेज टू 1 ओवर 3% था, इसमें एट अ प्रॉफिट किया है तो फिर ऐसे ही करेंगे. फाइन. इसको ऐसे सॉल्व करेंगे. तो द एंट्री विल बी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड 85,000 टू सेल्स अकाउंट and the narration will be goods sold to Arun. Now see beta, the third entry is they are saying paid by check 8,400 as insurance premium for a period of 12 months starting 1st August 2016 and financial year closes on 31st March every year. 1st अगस्त को हमने चेक पे किया था. फाइन. तो यहाँ पर जो है वो एंट्री होगी 2800 से. बट हाउ बेटा? 2800 we will calculate like 8400 का 4 over 12. 8400 into 4 over 12. 4 मंथ्स का क्यों निकाला? हमें 4 मंथ्स का कैलकुलेट करना है क्योंकि फाइनेंशियल ईयर 31 मार्च को एंड हो रहा है और हमने चेक पे किया है 1 अगस्त तक का. तो हमें 1 अप्रैल से 31 जुलाई तक कैलकुलेट करना है. फाइन. 31 मार्च को ईयर एंड हो रहा है तो 1 अप्रैल से 31 जुलाई तक कैलकुलेट कीजिए. अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, 4 मंथ्स का हुआ ना. तो 8400 का इंटू 4/12 करके देखिए, वो आएगा आपका 2800. एंट्री होगी 2800 से. फाइन. सबसे पहले इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट डेबिटेड 8400 टू बैंक अकाउंट. इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम पेड थ्रू चेक. चेक के थ्रू इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम पे किया. उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला है जो 4 मंथ्स का इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम हमने एडवांस पे किया है, जो इन्होंने बोला है ना कि 1 अगस्त तक का पे किया है और 31 मार्च को ईयर जो है वो क्लोज हो रहा है. तो इसका मतलब 31 मार्च 2015 तक हम पे कर चुके हैं, बट हमने 1 अगस्त 2016 तक पे किया है. तो वो जो 2800 है जो हमने कैलकुलेट करके बताया है वो है आपका प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस. एंड द एंट्री फॉर प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस विल बी prepaid insurance account debited 2800 to insurance account. Fine. And the narration will be insurance premium paid in advance for 4 months. Fine. And total of both the column will be 2,32,200. Fine beta. So your homework is you have to do till question number 24 as we have done here in your fair notebook and practice your illustration that are given in your book on page number 9.422, 9.46. Fine. Beta, you have to solve these questions on regular basis, on daily routine, so that you can easily solve it while I'll conduct test. Fine, beta. So send me your homework also on daily routine.